Hi guys and gals, Froggy here. These are pool brushes, as you obviously know if you've come to this video. And I'm going to do a little review on them because I kind of got tricked by this one, the one I'm touching on with my foot. So I want to tell you what's right and what's wrong, or what I like or what I don't like about these pool brushes. This one here is the original pool brush that was included in a kit to start up your pool when we had the pool built. I don't even know what brand it is. I think probably the pool company bought them by the hundreds, but you can see it's got a really thick bristle and not a lot of them have fallen out. So this is a good brush, but it's worn out now. It's pretty short. I can actually still brush the pool with it, but I just thought it was time for a new one. This one is one I just got. It's the same size. This is what I call it, a hybrid. It's got metal and it's got plastic bristles. It remains to be seen whether they'll fall out or not. It looks pretty good to me, but time is the test and use is the test. This is the one I got tricked on, and I'll tell you a funny little story. I actually was talking to a guy at my gym who does pools for a living, and he picked this up and he liked it, and so I said, all right, I'll go get one too. But the trouble with this one is, and I don't even know if he even realizes it or not, this has got a curve to it. You see this curve? You see, this is flat, and this one's flat. If I put it up against that line, see the line there on the deck? It's flat. It's flat. This one, let's put it up against. Oh, I got the handle on it, so. Let's put it up against this line on the deck. It's curved. Son of a bee, it's curved. So when I've got it down in the water brushing the pool, it only brushes from where my toes are to my other toes are. And the rest of it all misses the pool. And I'll show you. It misses the edge of the pool. Okay, be careful you don't drop your camera, Froggy. So there. You see that? I'm trying to get way over to give you a good camera shot. There. Some brushing, right? Brushing. That's not touching. That's not touching. There's less than 12 inches in the middle that are touching. So, you know, in a word, what the hell good is that? That's like a 12-inch wide pool brush. Well, let's try that other new one. Let me switch. So here's the brand new one, and that's got about 14 inches of touching, and it is curved up on the ends because that's for getting in the corners like this. See it? Getting in the corner, the corners are curved. And let's for the heck of it, do my original one. So my old one is actually about an inch shorter than that new one there. Let's see what it looks like up against the wall of the pool. Well, you can see it. So I'd say maybe 16, 17 inches. That one served me well. Now the other thing about this big one is, even if it was straight, let's say it was straight, and it had like a spine that was a metal spine, aluminum spine, it's harder to push it through the water because it's so big. These I can push through the water pretty easy. This one I feel more resistance as I push it through the water. It does have a feature that I like, which is this little magnet. It's got a little magnet thing in here in case you need to pick something up that fell in the water. And it's at the bottom right there. That's a magnet. But the curve, it just messes it up. The curve makes it no good at all. So, let's see. Put all three of them together there for you. A little bit shorter, but it has this steel, and I'm assuming that's stainless steel. It's not going to rust. Bristles in it, and those are kind of good if you get a spot that's got some algae buildup. It will remove the algae better than just the plastic. This one, I would say, by far, that one had the most bristles in it, and they stayed attached pretty good, but I don't know if I can even find that anymore. I'm going to try this one out, but I wanted to give you guys and gals a heads up on that one they called Animal. I didn't like it, so it's going back. And give me a thumbs up or a like if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy. Click on the notification bell if you want that. Be safe, have fun. See you later. Froggy out. Bye.